Fast food reviews with John the Picker. We're gonna go to our next restaurant. It's not gonna be Little Caesars tonight, nor McDonald's. We'll check the gas prices. It's $2.32 a gallon. We're going to Wendy's tonight. They were closed in the blizzard storm. I was gonna go there when they had the blizzard, but they were freaking closed. Let you see what's going on there. They got 4 for $4. You can get fries, nuggets, drink, sodas. Let's see what they got on the menu today. Let's see. What do we want to eat today? Baconator. They got good chili. I like the biggie fries till they took them off. Now they got ones with sea salt. Yep, we're gonna go inside and see what we can get today. See what kind of limited items they got. Hopefully they got some. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next fast food item up on the list is Wendy's. I've got me some Baconator fries and a triple cheeseburger. Uncle Dave's Triple. We got Uncle Dave's Triple. We got some Wendy's. That's actually a real person if you didn't know that. Wendy Thomas. Dave Thomas. Wendy Thomas. Kind of weird. I got the triple from Wendy's and I told the people up at Wendy's, the guy that was working the cashier and the people that were working the grill, that I was going to do a show and try to eat this as fast as I can. I don't know what I'm thinking anymore, ladies and gentlemen. I do not know what I'm thinking. This is supposed to be 3/4 of a pound. It felt pretty heavy when I was pulling it out of the bag. Maybe I should have just kept my mouth closed. That's what we got. I can't even get my mouth open to eat that beast. Onions, pickle, tomato, lettuce, cheese. Need my pop. I'm not no Furious Pete. At least not yet. I'm going for it though. There's another guy named Matt Stoney. He eats a lot. Baconator fries. Lots of bacon. They have really good bacon. 3 minutes in and I'm almost done with the triple. Should have grabbed a napkin. It's really good. You taste the meat for sure. I love Wendy's food. It's always been good. Damn. I want to eat it in another 3 minutes. I can feel it already. I'm getting full. So we're just going to take it easy on them fries. Shouts out to everybody on YouTube. This is my 30-day fast food diet, in case you just tuned in. And then I got the idea Why just do it normal? Try to eat it as fast as you can. I don't know if it's working out so well, folks. One bite. Bam. I ain't gonna mess with that. Alright, there you go. Smashed the Baconator in under less than 5 minutes. So, I'm gonna take a break. Then I'm gonna tell you how these taste. Alright, the Baconator fries are up. They got some pretty good fries at Wendy's. They use sea salt now. And these have applewood smoked bacon on them, shredded cheddar cheese, and creamy cheese sauce. Looks really good. We had the Arby's curly fries. I love the taste of the bacon. Wendy's has some awesome tasting bacon. If you like bacon, I suggest you try that. Their chili's really good. I've been going to Wendy's ever since I can remember. Never had them mess an order up or anything. I remember when they used to have the all-you-can-eat buffet. It had like spaghetti, tacos, salad, all kinds of stuff. These are really good. Good fries, Wendy's. Shouts out to everybody that was working at Wendy's tonight. They did a really good job. We're liking this. It's different than the Arby's ones because these ain't like seasoned fries, so plus the bacon tastes totally different. This bacon tastes really good. You got a full bacon flavor here, folks. Alright, and after eating the Baconator and some of these fries, I cannot eat no more, ladies and gentlemen. I am full. These Baconator fries are awesome. I wish I had chili added. That's about it. I wish I had some chili added. The bacon tastes really good. I suggest you go to Wendy's and get yourself some food today. I'm John the Picker. I'm out. Tune in for more fast food reviews. I'm going to be eating 12 tacos. See how fast I can do that. Oh yeah.